Ever wondered why certain ads or campaigns just seem to stick in your mind? The secret lies in neuromarketing. This fascinating field unites neuroscience and marketing, shedding light on how our brains respond to advertising. In this video, we'll unravel 5 powerful neuromarketing techniques that have proven to be successful time and again. You'll gain insights into how these tactics can make your marketing strategies more effective. So, ready to dive into the world of neuromarketing? Stay tuned. The first technique we're going to unravel is the power of emotions. Now, emotions are like the secret sauce of effective marketing. They tap into our basic human instincts and trigger responses that are hardwired into our brains. Let's picture some of the most successful marketing campaigns. Remember Nike's "Just Do It" slogan? It's not just about selling shoes. It's about empowering individuals to overcome their hurdles. That's the emotional appeal right there. Or consider Apple's "Think Different" campaign. It didn't just sell computers, it sold the idea of individuality and innovation. These campaigns didn't just talk about the product, they connected with the audience on an emotional level. They elicited feelings of empowerment, individuality, and aspiration, and that's why they resonated with so many people. So, injecting emotions into your marketing strategy can elevate your brand's impact. Intriguing, right? Before we reveal the next technique, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because our channel is a treasure trove of insightful marketing strategies that will transform your business. Make sure you don't miss out on these valuable insights. Now back to the techniques. Moving on to the second technique, the scarcity principle. This principle leans on the idea that less is more. When something is scarce or limited, it becomes more desirable. It's a psychological trigger that's hardwired into our brains. We tend to place a higher value on an object that is scarce and a lower value on those that are abundant. Ever noticed how you're drawn to those limited edition products or while stocks last sales? That's the scarcity principle at work. It's a powerful tool that marketers use to drive demand and urgency. It's not just about making your product or service seem exclusive, it's about creating an environment where people feel like they're missing out if they don't act fast. Transitioning now to the third technique, the power of storytelling. Stories are incredibly powerful. They can move people, inspire them, and most importantly, they can sell. People remember stories far better than they remember facts or figures. A compelling story can create a deep emotional connection, making your product or service more memorable. Take, for instance, a brand that shares the personal journey of its founder, the struggles, the victories. This personal touch can make their product more relatable and appealing. The power of storytelling is not just about selling a product, it's about selling an experience, a journey. Remember, scarcity makes people want more and stories sell. Now, what are your thoughts on these techniques? Drop a comment below. We're down to our final 2 techniques. Fourth on our list is social proof. This is a psychological phenomenon where people assume the actions of others in an attempt to reflect correct behavior for a given situation. It's the follow the crowd effect. When consumers see others buying a product or service, they're more likely to do the same. This is why testimonials, reviews, and influencer endorsements are so powerful in marketing. Now, let's transition to our final technique, the anchoring effect. This is all about first impressions. Research shows that the initial information we receive about a product, especially price, becomes the anchor. We tend to compare any subsequent information to this anchor. So, if you introduce a higher price first, any subsequent price will seem more reasonable to the consumer. So, that's it. Social proof and anchoring effect round up our top 5 neuromarketing techniques. These are not just theories, they are proven strategies that can help drive your business growth. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've explored 5 transformative neuromarketing techniques. First, we discussed the power of storytelling and how it can emotionally engage your audience. Next, we delved into the use of scarcity, a technique that creates urgency and boosts sales. Our third technique was the use of social proof, a powerful tool that leverages the influence of others to increase trust. We then looked at the primacy and recency effect, a technique that capitalizes on the human tendency to remember the first and last elements of a series. Lastly, we touched on the anchoring effect, a strategy that influences the perception of value. And there you have it, 5 powerful neuromarketing techniques. Don't forget to check out our next video where we delve deeper into the world of marketing psychology. See you there.